If you need money urgently or need money to start your own business, here is how to get up to 6,300 Ghana cedis loan in just 10 minutes straight into your mobile money wallet with just your phone. You need no collateral, you need no person to be there as a witness, or need no savings with them, because this company is a loan company which is also licensed by the Bank of Ghana, National Identification Authority, as well as the National Communications Authority. So everything that you do is safe with them, and their interest rate is also very low compared to the other loan providers. There are a lot of loan providers out there who will also straight up scam you, and this is not one of them, and I'm going to also explain this later in this video. I'm Emmanuel, and if you don't know me, I make videos about how to make money online, business online, and personal finance. So if you're interested in this, subscribe to the channel. Let's go. The first thing to do is to simply click on the link in the description, the first one, or the comment section. Just check there. I'll put a link to download this video app. Whether you are using an iPhone or an Android, you can also download it for free. So make sure you click on the link in the comment or the description of this video. Now it will take you into your App Store or Play Store. Simply download the app to your phone, and after you download it, open into the app, and it will bring you to the first page like this. They will ask you to also create your four-digit pin right here. So any 4-digit will do. Make sure you also keep this somewhere safe. When you enter it, they will ask you to also re-enter it on the next page. After this is done, it will bring you to the next page like this. If you also have Face ID or fingerprint, they will ask you to also use it to log in, so that it will be very easier when logging in. Here you can see licensed and approved by the National Communications Authority, National Identification Authority, MSECB, Bank of Ghana too, right here. And after this is done, click on continue, which is down here. It will bring you into the main dashboard. Now they will ask you to also allow them some permissions right here, like location, and the next step, they will ask you to also set up your account identity. Steps to set up your account: first, verify your identity, and second, complete survey and get your offer, which is your loan. So it's very simple. So the first step require you to also do it and it will take like 3 minutes or less. Mine took less. Second one also take 4 minutes or less right here. So click on continue, and the identification that they are talking about is your Ghana card. So make sure you also have a Ghana card which belongs to you. That is very important. Later you'll find out why the Ghana card should be yours or belong to you. Now on the next page like this, they will ask you, when you click on continue, they will ask you to also scan your Ghana card here or upload the image. If you don't have your Ghana card in hand, you can simply upload the image of the one that you took, the front page of your Ghana card right here. The image should be clear. After you do this right here, you scan, or after you upload your Ghana card right here, on the next page they will ask you to also scan your face, which is why I told you that the Ghana card should be yours or belong to you. Now here you can see me scanning my face right here. They will ask you to scan your face to match the Ghana card, whether it's yours or not. On the next page, they will ask you to also fill out this form. Now this form, you can see home address. Please fill in your address details. Choose from the drop down and write your own text. So right here you can see the first one is region. Choose the region that you are in right now. The second one is location right here. After you choose the location, so you can see right here the location. When you choose the region, they will also bring up this menu of the location, so where exactly you are in your region. So if you don't know, you can simply Google search it or ask someone, and you can choose from there. You should also write your landmark or street address right here, as well as Ghana Postal Service. It's optional though. So if you want to know your address or where you are, you can simply download the GPS or Ghana Postal Service app on the App Store or Play Store and simply use it to search for where you are. Now after this is done, you can see your identity is now verified. The next one to do is the office. So here, all you simply need to do is to allow them these permissions right here. So the first one is contact right here. Second one is SMS. Third one is location and device data. Fourth one is calendar. And you can see all of this information. So here I would advise you to personally read everything that is written there, whether to accept their terms or not. Make sure you read everything, every single line that is written there, whether it's the SMS, the location, or anything, and also find out whether you will be able to accept their terms and conditions or not. So after you allow it and accept their terms and conditions, obviously the next page will come, which will ask you about your personal details. So the first one is what's your relationship status right here. Second one, how many people do you currently support right here. Do you have your own house or you are living somewhere? All these questions, you have to also answer them. Now make sure you also answer these questions honestly. According to your answers is based on how much they will also give you. So make sure you answer all these questions right here. Now after going through all these questions, the next page right here in the questions, they will ask you to add some contact. Now these contacts are backup so that they can also get you when they don't get in touch with you. You know, it's business that you are doing and it involves money, so you have to also give out some of your family members contact so that they can contact them and they will also, through them, they will get you. So the first one, you will provide the contact. You just select the contact or enter the contact right here and enter their full name, and they will ask you for 2 contacts. So the next one too, you also select or provide it with their full name. Now after this is done right here, after entering the contact of the next person, you just click on continue, and on the next page right here, you will have to enter your email address so that they can provide you with verification links. This is very, very important. Make sure you add your email address so that they can provide you with verification links and also updates and newsletters. Now after this is done, you can see processing your application, and you can see right here you are qualified for instant credit. So my first instant credit that I got was 150 Ghana cedis, and you can see pay on time, get more next time, grow your offer to 6,800 Ghana cedis, pay little by little or all at once. So after your credit is given to you, you can choose to also take it right now, or you can also choose to also let it wait for later. So you can see right here, instant credit for your personal need up to 150 Ghana cedis. What I'm getting, get the funds to your wallet instantly. So when you click on draw now, you can see credit usage. I will use this loan only for legal and permitted activities. Click on agree, and when you click on agree, they will ask you to enter the amount right here, and you see you receive 147.60 due to 1.6 committed fee will be deducted right here. And after you click on it, now it will also take you to a page where you have to enter your mobile money number that you want to use to receive, and after you enter it, just click on continue, and instantly you will get your loan into your account in under 10 minutes, as I also showed you in this video. So here is what you need to know about all these other loan apps. Most of these loan apps that you also see that will pop up during ad on YouTube and online, most of them are not regulated or even approved by the Bank of Ghana and the regulatory body. So make sure you be careful and don't take loan from any of these applications, because what they do is that they also collect your information. As you allow them permission, they collect your information on your phone, and this can be very, very harmful to you, especially when they get in touch or get in hand your Ghana card details. So make sure you also be careful out there. If you want to check whether the loan app is registered or not, you can simply go online and check, or simply go to Google and type in, is this loan app registered with the Bank of Ghana? And you can also go to the Bank of Ghana, the official website, to also check. Fido is not the only approved loan app by the Bank of Ghana, and there are more, and I'm going to also work and also bring out all these for you to also get them, to get money instantly with them whenever you are in need. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to also watch that video. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a like, and also if you are in Ghana right now and if you want 3 businesses that can start with very low capital, simply click on the video on the screen right now.